Today we are going to discuss about V and W, as most of the children are getting confused when to write V and when to write W. So first of all, teach them proper sound of V and W. For the sound of W, make oval shape and blow onto your open hand as if you are the wind and say the sound of W, wah, wah, like wind. Wow. Now sound of V. For the sound of V, place your upper teeth over your lower lip and say like this, like vulture, van. Thank you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. The sound of W.
Wah, wah,
Wah, wah. Okay, now read this one.
wah, a, t, wet. Wah, a,
S,
t, west. Wah, e, n, d, m, e, l, windmill. E, t, swift.
Very good. This one.
W, E, N, D, wind.
Perfect. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Sound of V. Yes. Read it.
A,
S,
T, west. A, R, E, very. Dr, E, dr, I, drive.
yes, because it's magic.
Magic-y.
Perfect. And this one?
And now van.
Yes. Write down wet.
W, A, T.
Now write down wet.
E, T.
Now write down wind. Wah.
W, E, N, D.
Yes. Now write down windmill.
W, E, N, D, mill. Windmill.
Now write down west.
W,
Hmm.
A, T, west.
West. Wah. Now write down west.
W, A, T, west.
Now write down drive.
D, I, A, magic.
Perfect. Now write down swift.
Sw, SW. Sw, E, T, swift.
Very good. Now write down wag. Wag.
W, A, go.
Now write down new word. It's van.
No.
Now write down new word. It's wig.
G.
Yes. Now write down new word. It's visit.
W, E, E, T. Visit.
Very good. Now write down new word. It's vivid.
W, E,
Vivid.
vivid.
V. Again. V.
W, E, D.
Yes. Very good. Now write down new word. It's wow.
W,
Wow. Now write down wow. Okay, very good. Now write down new word. It is it's a vote.
O Ch magic.
Very good, excellent. Now write down new word. It is wait.
W E T
Very good. Now write down waiter.
W E T
T.
R
Very good, perfect. Now write down new word. It's waste.
W A W E T waste.
Now write down new word. It's wag. We have written, no, we have not written.
A
G. Yes. Now write down new word. It's wall.
W O
Wall. Yes. Yes, perfect. It's A double L. Perfect. Excellent.